Proper-sized BMW wheel spacers provide a perfect flush stance and keep your car from rubbing issues. Whether you are upsizing your wheels, installing bigger brake calipers, or simply widen car track, this wheel spacer turns out to be the most cost-effective way to solve fitment issues. If you install them properly, high-quality BMW wheel spacers are exactly safe for daily driving. The thickness of BMW wheel spacers depends mostly on the custom model and the wheel clearance, 3mm to 10mm wheel spacers. If you want to fit a big briefcase without significantly altering the wheel offset, then 3mm to 10mm wheel spacers are the best option. 12mm to 20mm wheel spacers. If you would like a perfect flush wheel stance, 12mm to 20mm wheel spacers are more suitable. They enhance the handling, particularly when cornering. BONOSS Sport Lightweight Plus wheel spacers for BMW are machined with hollow carb. Compared with the previous generation product, the weight is reduced over 30%. The weight of this BONOSS wheel spacer is quite insignificant, and they won't damage any suspension parts. 1-inch to 2-inch wheel spacers. If you like a more aggressive stance, you can use 25mm to 50mm wheel spacers with a wide body kit. They help reduce body roll, which in turn leads to more comfortable driving. Installing wheel spacers on BMW can change the wheel offset. They enlarge the options of wheel and tire combination. If you have aftermarket wheels that don't have the ideal offset, the BMW wheel spacer can help achieve perfect fitment. No matter which size wheel spacer you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure the safety. If you need any help with the wheel spacer selection, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye.